what's up? It's your girl Kirsty. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. So check her out. It's been 1 month and yeah, it's been real. Before we continue on with this video, I need you guys to go on over and hit that subscribe button. Smash that button real good. Smash it, okay? And after you hit that subscribe button, make sure you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you think. Do you have the same issues as me with TWAs and big chops? Like, are you struggling? Are you succeeding? Share your tips, sis, because I need them. I need them. I need them, okay? So today I'm gonna be showing you guys pretty much what I've been doing to my hair for the last month. Pretty much, I do normally wear it like this, so you know, in my natural state, but I'm just telling you guys the truth. Honestly, like, the first couple days I felt really cute, and then like some days like I don't feel cute at all, and I'm just like, oh my god, look at my hair. But then, you know, once I figure out like how to curl it up and everything like that, I feel gorgeous, you know. So I'm just gonna be sharing with you guys 2 of the styles, pretty much the only styles that I can do with the length that I have right now. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys one style that I like to do on my hair in this state, and that's the slick down short TWA. Super easy to achieve, super easy to do. My hair texture, like, she does it well. So yeah. Okay, so first things first, when my hair is in this state, I take my Q-redew Steamer and I pretty much, you know, I steam my hair, and I steam it so that way it's like nice and puffed out like this, okay? Yeah. I did those box braids, put the faux lock hair on top of it, and then after I did that, like literally I kept the box braids in for about 1.5 weeks, close to 2 weeks. Then I put the faux locks in, and I kept that in for like 4 days, but my scalp was not really loving it. Like, it wasn't tight, but I kind of, I don't know if it was the gel or what. I don't even know what was happening, but my scalp was just very irritated. So I said, okay, I gotta take it out. I listened to my scalp, and I'm so glad I did, because that evening when I took out my hair, and I was washing it, I ended up with patches of hair that fell out. I'll insert the picture. Yeah, so patches of my hair fell out, and I'm not sure why, because I don't have like sores or anything, but it just didn't work out. So after that, I kind of had to trim certain parts of my hair to make sure everything looked even. And after I trimmed, I went ahead and kind of just been rocking this slick down look, like this. So literally it was 2 steps. All I did was take the mousse, take my Tangle teaser, and I'm gonna take a little bit more mousse to slick this down back here. But this is pretty much the look that I love and live for, okay? So yeah, with my hair falling out, I was like, okay, cool, we just gonna have to move forward from this. And so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm moving forward with my slick down look. So yeah, other than my hair falling out a little bit, I kind of, you know, I enjoy the freedom of having short hair, but like I told you guys, it is definitely one of those, oh, today I feel cute, today I don't feel beautiful, today I'm all like, what do I do? What do I do? What do I do? My channel has been so centered and focused around braids and braiding and that type of thing. And while I love braids, obviously, you know, I wanted to keep my hair healthy, and I had to cut out the color and the damaged ends of my hair. So, you know, I'd rather have healthy hair than broken hair. So my channel's so focused around braids, without me doing braids, it just, you know, sometimes it feels like I have a little mental like block there, you know, but I'm moving forward, moving past it, and I'm embracing my new. Okay, is she coming out? There we go. All right, there it is. Look number one, my go-to. Okay, so let's get on with look number two. I'm gonna be using my Q-redew just to kind of loosen this up, and then I'm gonna put on my moisturizer, headband, and show you look number two. You guys let me know which one was your favorite. My natural, look number one, or this slick look, or my slicked up fro.
Okay guys, so I have my Q-redew Steamer right here that I got for Christmas. I actually figured out this method like a day ago. I hadn't realized that it really was going to make my short curls pop, because I just thought that my hair was super wavy at the roots. Anyway, so I take the Q-redew Steamer and I pretty much would go through all of my hair. We're just gonna have to pretend my hair is not like wet right now, because I usually only steam on dry hair, but I kind of wanted to show you guys the looks that I do. So all I'm doing is just loosening up everything, and I am so in love with this steamer. Like when I have my long hair, steaming, oh my god, it made my curls like really pop. So like I really didn't think it would work with short hair, but it really is working with short hair. Like I get this really popping curls. And yeah, you know, just be careful with the steam. It's steam, it's not like cold water, it's hot. But I really love what it does. My hair feels, you know, healthier, feels like it's getting whatever nutrients it needs from the hair products that I apply afterwards. So I'm pretty impressed with it. I can't wait for my hair to continue growing so I can really see what it does with a little bit longer hair than what I have now. So yeah, all I'm doing, I'm almost there. I'm literally just going through every part that I feel. I use my fingers as a guide to help me, and let's go ahead and add our product.
So I'm just gonna take some of the curl smoothie, and this is how it comes out. All I need is one pump. I'm just gonna rub it through my palm, through my fingertips, and then I'm just gonna kind of gently fluff it through. I'm not trying to disturb the curls that I just steamed. More so, I'm just trying to run this through. So I did this the other night, just messing with stuff, trying to see what other things I could do, other ways that I could wear my TWA, and this was certainly one of a really cute way. And I've seen other naturals wear their hair like this, so it's not anything new, but I love it and I felt very pretty. So here we go. So now with the product, now that she's in there, you're gonna take a headband. Hold on. You're gonna take a headband, and then you're gonna go ahead and put it onto your head. So slide it up, just like that. So sometimes I have to pull it back down to my ear, start over, because some pieces don't want to cooperate. But once we get it, you got it. Okay, here you go. There we go. There we go. And then so now I'm just kind of patting my curls, and if I see any that may be sticking out or something, I do like little finger curls to them. So that way when it dries, I have bigger ringlets. And that's it. Like literally guys, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. If you really want to get fancy and freaky, you can go ahead and lay those baby hairs. Other than that, this is it. The final look. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I gave you my 2 looks that I have been surviving on. If you guys have any other suggestions, let me know. Accessories that I could try, let me know, because honestly, this is something new to me, new territory here. And of course, whenever you're going through something new, there's always going to be obstacles, speed bumps, and things like that that you have to go through in order to enjoy something, or just really just to get through it, honestly. But thank you guys for sticking with me on my channel and really supporting the Big Chop video, because I did not think that I was gonna get that many views and love and comments on the video, but y'all showed me love and represented, and I thank you guys. So I just wanted to come on here, give you guys an update, let you know that yeah, I've had moments of insecurity, but I've also had moments of freedom, and I felt beautiful and gorgeous. And this is one of the styles that allow me to feel that way. So stay tuned, because my hair, she is growing, and I will be showing you guys some other little stuff. But you know, in the meantime, we're gonna be natural. I'm gonna bring in some of my friends, and we're gonna have a good party, right? Okay guys, so if you guys want to stay up to date on giveaways and on daily life and anything like that, make sure you guys follow me on Snapchat. Hey, follow me on Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you never miss a video. Hit that notification bell, bang, so you guys can stay linked whenever a video comes out. Okay, so yeah, I'm done. If you guys want, you know, you could go watch another video, because I got plenty of those. Okay, stay channeling the beauty that's within inside of you. I'm out.